Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Crystal's Vanity. So I got a crap ton of yarn today from Joann's and I'm gonna do a super quick review. I have an hour, a little more than an hour before I have to be where I'm going, and I got here super early specifically so I could buy some yarn. And I'm about to try and make a hat. My first impressions of this yarn, one thing I don't like, and I'll put the video here, a little clip showing kind of how the actual yarn looks. One of the things I don't like is yarn that does like this type of thing. Some of these, it looks like it may be a little bit looser than others, and I don't like that because my hook gets caught and I can't work as quickly as I like to. So anyway, I'm going to try and make a little bit of a hat, and then I'll come back once I finished it and show you guys what I have. Okay, so I'm back. This is like several hours later. My final thoughts on this Big Twist Nova yarn. So I got this today, as I mentioned, and it's really thin, like super thin compared to the size yarn I like to use, the weight that I like to use. It's teeny tiny. So with that being said, it doesn't look as small. It's small, but it doesn't look as small when it's in the cake. And very quickly I noticed these stitches were gonna be teeny tiny. So if you're into smaller yarn, I don't know if this is finger weight. I don't think this is finger weight, but if you're into thin yarn, go for it. This would be amazing for making like a shirt or anything lightweight that you're trying to make so it's breathable. This would be amazing, like a vest or kimono or something like that. I say go for it. But for a hat, this is going to take me, like start to finish, this would probably take me 8 to 10 hours. And this is a kid's hat. These hats, like just regular, I think this is worsted weight, maybe. Just regular yarn. That takes me, for a kid's hat, maybe 2 hours, if that, I don't know. But this, this has 3 times the amount of rows that the regular size yarn has, and so it's taken forever. I'm not that far from the end, but it's a lot. So I'll probably end up using the rest of this with my knitting machine, my Centro over there. I feel like my knitting machine would like this, so I'm gonna try that. If it doesn't work, of course I'll let you know. But in the meantime, I don't see myself finishing this hat right now. We're just gonna put it to the side. Trying to think of anything else. Oh, it didn't. So I was thinking it was going to unravel while I was working with it. It did not. So I don't have any issues. I would recommend it to someone that likes thinner yarn, smaller weight yarn, whatever you want to call it. I would definitely recommend this. It's different than I thought it would look, the color wise, but it's not ugly. Nothing's wrong with the yarn. It's really soft. It's nice. It's just it's taken me way too long to get anything done with this yarn. So we're gonna try it on the Centro machine, and if I'm successful at making a hat with that, I'll post it later. Thanks guys, bye.